Don't let the grass grow under your feet. Oh, I mean wheels. Time to move on. This is what I'm going to be missing. Sunsets. Okay, so it needs to be done a bit more this side. Okay, but this one looks okay. This is Graham's.
No, that's John's one there.
Oh, sorry, John.
Okay.
Sorry, John.
Alright, sorry John, you're not here. I'm going to have to eat it for you.
Yeah, that's.
I'm sorry, bud.
Sorry, John.
Oh, it's going to be nice. I'm sure John, he's going to love it. I can just see him
Drooling.
Oh, wow, look at that
Drooling.
droop. I mean, cinnamon.
I didn't put lots of cinnamon in it.
And some juices. Ooh, it's too nice.
Okay, that's yours. Babe.
Okay, I'm going to eat this because John's not here.
Okay, enjoy.
And he's going to have a problem if he does because he's got a petrol breath. Pancake time. Looking good. Looking very, very good. Then we come over here and I don't see any here because we're eating them up already. John, you locked out?
So this historical place just up the road from Stop-in-Play on the hill is the surrender place of the Boers to the English, the British. And there's a historical point about it. You can read it up online and it's quite sad. You'll see the piece of field which is coming up now, where they burnt all the ammunition, 4,500 rifles and guns, etc. This is what we're leaving. There's a high mountain at the back there. Clarence is in this valley. And we're at the garage filling Jaunti. My car's already full. There's Jaunti. Yeah, so we're on our way to Bloem. The town is hectic because of the beer festival. And we're going to just be getting something to buy before we go. Yeah, you can see I've demolished it already. This is our last cup of coffee in Clarence. Hello, Graham.
Hello.
Where are we off to today?
We're going to Bloemfontein.
Yeah. And then we're on the third leg of our journey. Yeah.
Many legs, more than a spider.
Okay, this is the beer festival. Starting across the road.
Stop.
So we've stopped off in Senekal on the way to a pot stall, and I see a huge chair.
Yeah, on the floor. Fall on the floor. Yeah, some of us have got to climb up there.
Beautiful mushrooms in Senekal. We're at this little pot stall. Gonna go see what's in the shop. Senekal, on the way to Bloemfontein. Even bird aviaries.
So there's a whole lot of roadworks going on here. I hope you're right there, Cindy. What are you doing there? So it's just following Cindy, yeah? She's driving like a little queen, I'm telling you. It's best. Very nice. Okay, here we go, the end of the intro. Now we have our own roads again. Thank you guys.
There's Jaunti. And there's a pool up there that I've already swum in. There. What you doing here?
Okay, I'm going to see what we lost in our environment.
Tell them what you're doing.
As a specimen angler, you never leave lines lying around like this. You clean it up, make it better than it was here for us. As long as we have our birds and all that stuff caught up in all these things.
So Graham, this is what was left down by the river.
Yeah.
Not very nice.
I'll just get it all and throw it in a bin because gee whiz, our birds get so caught up in this. And we don't like it, especially anglers, we don't like leaving a mess. We don't like leaving anything but footprints
Yeah,
and
exactly.
taking anything but pictures.
Yes, that's fantastic. Hello, Graham.
Hello.
Found some gold in the trees. I'm looking for gold in the trees. So, Graham, what you doing up there, Graham?
I'm on top of the world, looking down on creation.
You wish, man. Our God is good, eh? We took a nice drive just down the road from River of Joy, and we found these amazing bridges of steel. One was a railroad bridge, the other was for cars, one car at a time to go over. So we spent time here out in the bush. It was lovely. So River of Joy campsite is about 23 k's outside of Bloemfontein on the Kroonstad side.
Long bridges, about 100 meters. Hey, I'm at the end. Wow, this is amazing. Sure. Amazing. Sit down, my doll.
Oh, let's have our donut
Okay. What you got? Oh,
at the river.
oh wow. Oh wow. Thanks, my buds. Enough now.
Beautiful campgrounds, yeah. Well kept, nice ablutions, and then the river. Oh, Graham found this in the van, in the cab area. I'm not keen on them. This is our new view through the net curtain. Hi, Graham. Hello. Yeah, so this is the new view, the bush view, and we can hear the lions roaring, not extremely loud. So this is the roastery. Lovely. You're enjoying it, right?
Very much so.
And that's your roasted coffee, cappuccino. And then this is my, I don't know what I call it. It's beautiful. It's cold coffee. Evening, Graham.
Hello, hello.
So we somewhere in Bloemfontein.
Now we're in Bloemfontein. We're at the Bloemfontein coffee roasting.
Yeah, they actually roast their own coffee here. I see the machine at the back there. Coffee's here. It's actually quite amazing.
What do you
The
think?
vibe. It's a cold, like a latte coffee.
Okay.
And it's just got the most divine taste. And they roast their own beans here.
Wow.
They roast beans in Bloem.
There a lot. Yeah. Oh, there you go. It's moved. Oh.
So Graham,
Water pump.
we just went on this little ride and it's beautiful.
Yeah. Even if we're at the water river, the Mud River.
This is the one that goes past where we are. It's beautiful, eh?
This bridge is like over 100 meters long.
Wow. And I've just done all the nuts and how old it is, like looking.
The truck came over and it was wobbling.
Yeah.
Going
You
like
hear
that.
it,
You
yeah.
can hear it.